In today's video, we're diving into the subtle yet powerful behaviors that can completely shift the dating dynamic in your favor, so much so that 99.9% of women will feel an undeniable urge to chase you. Now, this isn't about cheap tricks or manipulative games. It's about tapping into core human psychology and natural behaviors that authentically draw women in. If you've ever wanted to be the kind of man women find genuinely irresistible, stick around, because the insights I'm about to share are total game changers. Let's get into it. The myth of effort, believe it or not. Attracting women doesn't require Herculean effort. If you Google how to make a girl like you'll be flooded with advice. Hit the gym and get ripped, make money and flex it, master seduction techniques. But there's the truth. Most men in healthy, lasting relationships don't have model physiques, overflowing bank accounts, or pick-up artist playbooks. Why? Because real attraction is far simpler than all that. When you ditch superficial strategies and get back to the fundamentals, that's when everything changes. In this video, I'll break down exactly what you need to know to spark desire in any woman, even those who are already in relationships. But before we dive in, ask yourself this. What actually makes a woman attracted to a man? Is it just looks, status, wealth? What if I told you there's something deeper? Stick around to the end. Because while the first tips will instantly boost your attractiveness, the last one is a total game cure. So powerful, even married women won't be able to ignore it. And hey, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and turn on notifications so you never miss another powerful insight. Let's begin. 1. Confidence and charisma. First, up confidence and charisma. Confidence is a magnet. Walk into any room, and you can instantly spot the most confident person. That's the one who draws people in. And yes, women notice. But here's the key. Confidence isn't just about posture or how you speak. It comes from within. When you believe in yourself, it radiates through your words, body language, and presence. Now let's talk charisma. The secret sauce of social magnetism. Charisma isn't about dominating a conversation, it's about connecting deeply. A charismatic man listens, asks thoughtful questions, and makes people feel seen. That emotional impact is unforgettable. Want to instantly boost your presence? Stand tall, use open body language. Smile genuinely, and remember, what you don't say can be just as powerful as what you do. Silent confidence communicates emotional stability, which is incredibly attractive to women. Second, active listening. Next, active listening. This might sound simple, but it's rare, and that's what makes it powerful. Most men listen just enough to wait for their turn to talk. Women pick up on that immediately, but when you truly listen, without interrupting or steering the conversation back to yourself, something magical happens. She feels understood, and feeling understood, that's one of the fastest ways to build emotional intimacy and attraction. So next time you're in conversation with a woman, try this. Maintain eye contact, nod, and give subtle verbal cues. Ask follow-up questions that show you're engaged. When she sees that you're actually tuned in, she'll want to be around you more, because real listeners are rare, and rare is attractive. Listening shows her you truly care. When you actively listen to a woman, you demonstrate that you value what she's saying and respect her opinions. This builds trust and makes her feel genuinely important. Pay close attention. Listening attentively also helps you learn more about her, giving you a major advantage. If she shares personal details, you can bring them up later and ask her to elaborate. This makes her You feel seen, heard, and understood, proving that your interest is real, not just polite engaged. Listening creates connection. When you ask thoughtful questions based on what she shared, the conversation becomes deeper and more meaningful. This strengthens your emotional bond and shows her that you truly value her experiences. Women find this kind of attention incredibly attractive. They naturally gravitate toward men who are sincerely interested in who they are, not just what they look like. Before we continue, here's something powerful to consider. Have you ever wanted to send a single magnetic text message that sparks overwhelming desire in a woman? A sentence so emotionally powerful it stirs something deep within her. This isn't just any message. It's designed to ignite her emotions and make her think about you constantly, even if she's just a friend or already in a relationship. But be warned, send this message and she might become intensely excited and eager to see you. If you're not ready for her to fall hard, you might want to hold off. Download the secret messages using the link below. 1. Master effective communication. The way you communicate with a woman plays a crucial role in creating attraction and building a deeper connection. It's not just about speaking. Well, it's about being clear, assertive, and respectful when expressing yourself. Effective communication also means being a good listener and responding with empathy. When a man can confidently share his thoughts while understanding a woman's emotions and needs, he builds a stronger, more meaningful bond. This kind of communication prevents misunderstandings, helps resolve conflict, and most importantly, makes her feel heard and valued. Women are naturally drawn to men who can balance speaking with listening. Men who express themselves openly without being manipulative or controlling. Honest conversations don't just spark interest. They build the foundation for a strong, lasting relationship. 2. Show ambition without arrogance. Women are naturally attracted to men with purpose and direction. When you have clear goals and are actively pursuing them, it signals that you have a fulfilling life and are invested in personal growth. This creates an aura of confidence, stability, and maturity. All qualities women look for in a partner, but it's important to share your ambitions without sounding boastful. Talking endlessly about your success can come off as arrogant and push people away. True ambition isn't about showing off. It's about being genuinely dedicated to something meaningful, whether it's your career, personal growth, family, or a creative passion. Ambition shows drive and responsibility. Just remember, humility makes ambition even more attractive. 3. Use smart, natural humor. A man who can make a woman laugh instantly. It becomes more appealing. Humor creates connection, eases tension, and builds emotional chemistry. But it's not about being the loudest or most outrageous person in the room. The most attractive kind of humor is subtle, well-timed, and effortless. When you can make her smile in a genuine way, you create a feeling of trust and comfort. Laughter also shows that you approach life with a light heart and optimism, something that women find very attractive. It makes them feel at ease around you, and that's what builds connection. Wrap up. Now imagine being able to send a series of messages that instantly create chemistry, messages that make a woman feel deeply connected to you with just your phone. These aren't ordinary texts. They're designed to spark desire, emotion, and curiosity. With the right words, you can have beautiful women excited to talk to you, meet you, and spend time with you. Even tonight, these messages can turn casual conversations into unforgettable moments of attraction. And there you have it, the keys to becoming the kind of man who doesn't just attract but captivates. It's not about trying too hard or playing games. It's about mastering your mindset, confidence, and communication in a way that naturally draws people in. Start applying these insights today and watch how quickly things change. You'll find women more engaged, more intrigued, and more eager to be around you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. There's much more too.